Hi there, and welcome to iHealthBrokers 1-Minute Healthcare Update. As always, if you have any questions or concerns about your health insurance, please feel free to send us a message below or give us a call at the number on the screen. There's absolutely no charge for our services, and we are licensed nationwide. During open enrollment, when you're comparing different marketplace plans, one of the key things to check for is, of course, the network size. If you have doctors or hospitals that you wish to utilize, then you want to make sure that they accept your plan so that you're in network and have coverage. If you don't have doctors or hospitals that you wish to utilize, you want to make sure that the network is large enough that it's easy to get an appointment in a timely fashion. Unfortunately, all too often provider directories are inaccurate. They can be filled with doctors who are retired, or no longer accepting new patients, or no longer contracting with that plan. And this is very frustrating to new enrollees looking to do their due diligence. So here are a few tips. 1. Start early. Make sure to give yourself plenty of time, so start doing your research at the beginning of open enrollment so you don't end up in crunch time having to pick a plan that's less than optimal. 2. Narrow down your search and call the doctors and hospitals to make sure that they accept your intended plan. And 3. Work with a broker. A broker is an expert who will be familiar with your plan and its reviews. This is a far from ideal situation, and it is the unfortunate reality that we find ourselves in. So please make sure to educate yourself and give yourself plenty of time to make an informed decision. As always, if you have any questions about your health insurance, please feel free to send us a message or give us a call at the number on the screen. You can also find us on our YouTube channel at iHealthBrokers or on Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, and Twitter at iHealthBrokers. Thanks so much. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.